Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can disable the task manager of your Windows. So if you want to simply disable task manager, then there's no worry for that. Now, let me open task manager first. So I can open the task manager of my Windows because this is not disabled yet. So how can we disable this? Let's close this window. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type PowerShell. You'll find Windows PowerShell under the best match. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now the PowerShell window with administrative rights will appear. Now I have commands from here. This will be posted in the description section of this video, so do not worry. And then let's paste it here. Just right click on your mouse. Now the operation completed successfully. Type exit, hit enter. And then let's search for task manager. Click on it. Task manager has been disabled by your administrator. So we have successfully disabled task manager from our Windows. But if some cases that you want to enable again task manager because this is a very important feature of your Windows, then how can you do that? Go back to the Windows search bar and type PowerShell. Again, you have to click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. And I have a command that we can use to enable the task manager again. Then right click on your mouse, hit enter. The operation completed successfully. Type exit, hit enter. Now let's search for task manager. Click on it under the best match. And there you go. We have just enabled Task Manager again into our window. So that's it. I hope this video helped you on how you can disable and then enable Task Manager again. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.